I love the compliment that you all have with one another. I really do love the honor and respect you all have with one another. And I love your little banter and how Brent just laughs at you when you have no clue what you want to decide. And I think it's wonderful because you just love each other. So here's to you all and this beautiful union. And I'm so blessed to be a part of it. Cheers.
Carly, take this ring
as a symbol of my love
and
commitment to you.
Brent,
Take this ring I give to you
take this ring I give to you
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and my commitment to you.
and my commitment to you.
So I'm just so happy for the two of you. You complement each other just perfectly, and the new family that we get to have. So great. Congratulations.
I can honestly say the past few years that I've seen the two of you together, it's the happiest I've ever seen my sister. It's the most confident I've ever seen her, and I'm very grateful that you've come into our lives, and I'm happy to see the life that you all build together. I love you both.
Found out he's a great guy. The last couple of years we've got to know Brent, and he's just a great guy. There's nobody I would rather have married to my daughter than you. You're a great person. You are empathetic as anybody. You procrastinate like no other, but she's always there. She gets the job done. You never cease to impress me. You're just a wonderful person. So I propose a toast that may Carly and Brent have the best marriage ever. Longer than Joan and Tiger's.
It is your responsibility, Carly and Brent, to make your family a place that is secure and comfortable for one another. Take it upon yourself to provide comfort, require celebration, provide unending support. Do you, Brent Lawrence Murray, take Carly French Willson to be your lawful wife?
I do.
Do you, Carly French Willson, take Brent Lawrence Murray to be your lawful husband?
I do.
By the power vested in me in the state of Maryland, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Good job with the ring, the rings.
Like morning to a long and lonely night. Yeah, you found me, and it was at the perfect time. Spent years on my own, wandering alone. What was I gonna do? At the end of my road, holding out hope that someone was coming through. I won't forget the way that it felt. The sky started turning blue. Yeah, my search was over, that's when I knew. I've been waiting my whole life for that lost its way. Oh, you guide me when I can't see through the rain. And all my hoping turned to dancing when you came. Yeah, you showed me that every good thing's worth the wait. Spent years on my own, wandering alone. What was I gonna do? At the end of my road, holding out hope that someone was coming through. do at the end of my road, holding out hope that
Enable each other's vices to chase youth, but within reason, Carly. But may you also cherish the ordinary moments in between. I love you both. Congratulations.